Hello everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I did a pretty quick install on this Cadillac CT5. It's a 2020, it's immaculately cared for. The owner is quite a lover of this car, and he wanted a Lighting Trendz Flow Series Underglow kit for it, so I delivered on that. He found me online as per referral, which was pretty cool. As you can see on this, it's just on auto mode right now. This is Bluetooth controlled, and I just left it running and you can see the strips are really far up there. They're nice and hidden. This is one of my favorite installs I've ever done to date. Really super clean. At the end of it though, where I wanted to integrate with the turn signals and the brake lights, because this actually does that, that is where I ran into problems. So this particular car, the brake and the turn signal is the same wire on this car. So I couldn't integrate at the tail light, which is where I wanted to. So I started playing with the BCM and trying to hunt down that wire, and ultimately I got really far behind and just had to pack it up and move on with our lives. The rear, you can see the strip if you get down low enough. Due to the exhaust on this, basically, the only other option was to mount behind the exhaust, but what I did do is build a little bracket right here to support it, since it's kind of floating, but it is mounted on both sides very securely. Again, I'm super pleased with the install, other than the fact that I didn't get the turn signal and the brake to be fully operational, which is just kind of a personal ego blow to me. I think with enough time, I could have dug in there a little bit deeper and found those wires that I needed. Pricing and product information for this particular install will be in the video description. I am still closed to new business for at least 2 more months, so if you are interested in an installation for yourself, please be aware that I won't be able to help you for quite some time, but feel free to email me. That will be in the video description. That's all I got to say on this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll see you.